Reading Pandas by Mamta Siroya, Phonics and an Early Literacy Program.
Hi, welcome back. This is Mamta Siroya here. I'm the founder of Reading Pandas, a Phonics and an Early Literacy Program. Now today what I'm going to teach you in this tutorial is how to read CVC words. Now before I begin, let's see who is here. Betty the Whoopee. Hi Betty, how are you? I'm good. Do you know what are CVC words? Yes, I know them. They are cake, worm and candy words. Cake, worm and candy words? No, you ought to learn CVC words in my class today. Oh yes, I want to please. Yes. Alright, so let's begin. Now before I start the tutorial here, I would like to clarify that we come across students who are unable to string these three isolated phonemes together, and they might land up reading the word as pan or top or maybe just something else. And therefore, the technique today that I'm going to teach you is called successive blending. Now what I like about successive blending, that it's extremely effective in establishing better reading fluency as it reduces the burden on the child's short-term memory. Now today, the CVC words that we are going to read is of vowel I. Now before I begin or before I teach you how to blend these words, let's remember that the short vowel sound for letter I is E. And now let's begin. So we are going to blend in the consonant and the vowel together first. B, I, B, F, I, Fi, S, I, Si, L, I, Li, P, I, Pi, W, I, Vi, K, I, Ki, and then we have H, I, Hi. So what we have done is we have learned how to blend in the first consonant and the vowel together. And now let's add in the last sound. B, T, bit, Fi, T, fit, Si, T, sit, Li, T, lit, Pi, T, pit, Vi, T, wit, Ki, T, kit, and the last one we have is Hi, T, hit. That was very good blending. Now let's move on to the next set of words in the I CVC segment. So let's begin the blending first. Ti, Ki, Bi, Pi, Vi, Si and Fi. Now once the consonant and the vowel are blended together, now let's get in the last sound. Ti, tin, Ki, kin, Bi, bin, Pi, pin, Vi, win, Si, sin, and the last one is Fi, fin. That was great blending by you children and Betty of course. And now let's move on to the next set of words quickly. Let's begin with blending the consonant and the vowel first. D, Si, Ri, Hi, Z and li. And now peekaboo. Let's see which letter is going to be the last sound. D. P. Dip. C. P. Sip. Ri. P. Rip. Hi. P. Hip. Z. P. Zip. And li. P. Lip. Hope you are getting better at blending and reading CVC words. And now let's move on to the next set of words. Now let's revise one more time. Blending. Mi. Ki. Ri. Hi. Bi. Li. And di. And now let's get in the last sound. Mi. D. Mid. Ki. D. Kid. Ri. D. Rid. Hi. D. Hid. Bi. D. Bid. Li. D. Lid. And di. D. Did. That was very good reading. And now let's practice some more words. I hope you are getting better at blending. Let's begin. D. B. Fi. G. P. And we. And now let's see. What's the last sound? D. G. Dig. B. G. Big. Fi. G. Fig. G. G. Jig. P. G. Pig. And V. G. Wig. That was very good reading. I hope Betty and all of you are getting better. And now let's move on to the next segment of words. Now let's proceed. Ri, ni, and bi. And now let's get in the last sound. Ri, b, rib. Bi, b, bib. And ni, b, nib. Very good. And now let's move on to the last set of words in this tutorial. I can see everybody is getting better there, and Betty too. So now let's begin blending. Si, mi, and fi. And peekaboo, what's the last sound? Six, six. Mix, mix. And fix, fix. Yes. So these were all the words in the CVC tutorial. If you have found this tutorial helpful, then do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. I've also added detailed tutorials of other vowel CVC words. Do check the link mentioned in the description. Thank you so much for watching us and see you soon there.